Every time you drag a new preset from the effects library onto your timeline, it's completely static. Default fonts, generic colors, and stock layout. Changing the same inspector sliders every single time you open a new project, or worse, opening last week's project just to copy and paste your assets over, is a massive time and momentum killer. There's an easier way. Let me show you. But first, I have approximately 47 unfinished projects, 3 notebooks I bought with good intentions, and a to-do list that just keeps on growing. I took the Skillshare class called Bullet Journaling Life Management for Creatives by Dylan Mierzwinski. And the thing that stood out to me was the way that the whole system helps you figure out what actually deserves your time and attention, and to do something about it. If you're like me and get overwhelmed easily by a million things going on in your head and struggle to get started, or even figure out where to start, bullet journaling might be just the breakthrough you also need. Skillshare is the best place to learn a creative skill or pick up a new hobby. It's where humans come to learn from other humans, which honestly is kind of rare these days. The first 500 people to use my link in the description or scan the QR code will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Go check it out. To do this, we need to turn on a feature that a lot of editors still miss. Go to your media pool section, click on the 3 dots and select Show Power Bins. Regular bins only save assets inside your current project. Power bins link directly to your entire database, meaning anything you drop in there is shared across every single project you ever open. You can store almost anything in there, but it does have its limits and there are some things that it just can't do. We'll get to that later. Now let's transform your static preset into a reusable custom style. Let's say you're using one of my presets like the info frame. Drag it onto your timeline, open the inspector and dial in all your changes, fonts, colors and positioning exactly how you want them. Once it looks perfect, drag it from the timeline into a folder in your power bins and give it a new name. Now whenever you want to use that same preset, you just drag it from the power bins straight onto your timeline. And here's where it gets really useful. You're not limited to just one version. Maybe you have multiple channels or you have different clients that each have their own unique branding. You can save the same preset multiple times, each with completely different fonts, colors and sizing. Quick note, if your preset uses an image loader like the Liquid Glass or InfoFrame presets, make sure that the image stays in the same folder on your computer after you save it to the power bin. If you've moved it or deleted it and then pull the preset back into your timeline, it's gonna show a black screen. But don't worry, that's totally normal. All you need to do is go into the inspector, click Browse under the image loader and point it to the new location or swap in a new image entirely. Once it looks good, drag it back into the power bin, delete the old version, and now your preset is fully updated with the new image and file path. 2 things you'll need to watch out for so you don't panic. The first is sometimes Resolve will give the no frame available for media out error once you drop it into a new project. Just hover the mouse on one side of the clip until it shows the trim icon and drag it around. The error should disappear instantly. And second, this only works well with generator effects, not so much with any other type. But what if you want to save a regular effect instead of a generator? If you take a video clip, apply an effect onto that clip and drag it into the power bin, Resolve does not save the effect, only the clip. And if you try to drag the effect straight out of the inspector panel, well, that won't work either. The solution to this is an adjustment clip. Drag it on top of your clips in your timeline and apply your custom effects or color styles onto the adjustment clip instead of the raw video. Because it's a blank procedural layer, you can drag it straight into your power bin and use it anytime on any clip in any project. One important caveat is adjustment clips only work for global effects. If you're using an interactive layer-based preset or effect, like the paper tear preset that I created, it won't work as intended. The track underneath will be completely black. Hopefully this will be fixed in a future update, but as of now, it just doesn't work. And that's it. If you want to grab the exact presets I use in this video, the link to the shop is down below. Go check it out. Otherwise, if this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment. This genuinely helps the channel more than you think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.